Hi, I'm Clement from South Tech Reviews, and today we're checking out the Vivo Y76 5G. I'd like to share some of my findings as to how I found this device. So, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my content, hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload. Without further ado, if you watched my unboxing video, you saw that I highlighted some of the features with regards to the Vivo Y76 5G, and while testing the device, some of the features that stood out to me were the flash charge, the awesome 50 megapixel camera. To be honest, it's an awesome little device to carry. Its slim design is just 7.79 millimeters and it weighs a mere 175 grams. It's easy on the pocket but heavy on features. But before I move on, I have to mention that I had this cool color. It's called Midnight Space, and it was oh so tasty, but also Cosmic Aurora looks nice too. Okay. The caption of the camera bump says high definition photography. The camera puts in the work. With most devices, including the Vivo, no exception, a macro camera is present. A full charge on the device took me easily from AM to PM, and with a 4100 mAh battery and optimized software also depending on the usage of how you use the device. In the event you're a super heavy user, flash charge with a 444 watt power brick can get you up to 70% in 32 minutes. On the topic of software and hardware, the device never felt like it was slowing down or lagging. And that's thanks to the 8GB of RAM, although if you really feel like taxing the device, the 4GB extended RAM can be taken from the 128GB internal RAM. It's easier than ever right now to share some of your content. In order to share that content, you need a proper display, and the Y76 doesn't let you down in that instance. It has a 6.5 Full HD display with 460 nits of brightness, which overlays with Android and TouchOS 12 that works optimally. So, like I've mentioned in my previous video, Vivo is kind of the new kid on the block. They're willing to put it all out and willing to show you, the consumer, what they have to offer. I, for one, haven't used the product before, but I can vouch for what they put in and what you get out of these devices. And the best thing about Vivo is they're only getting started right now, which is really cool for the market. Service centers has been set up in Johannesburg as well as in Cape Town, which I was lucky enough to attend. And trust me, these guys are really wanting to show you why a Vivo smartphone should be your next device. And I can't wait to see in future where I end up with Vivo. I'm really excited to see what comes next. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please hit me up on my socials and tell me what you enjoyed about it or what you didn't enjoy about it. But also drop a like and a sub would be super. Till we meet again, don't forget to wash your hands and we'll chat again. Goodbye.